Put 4 slices of tomato in a Flowerpot. Look what happens in a few days. Tomato is always an excellent ally within our gastronomy. We cannot imagine a rich salad without tomatoes. Not to mention the Milanese sandwich or any other cut of meat with a few slices of tomato. In addition to being an excellent companion in the meals, the tomato is recommended for its infinity of benefits for our health. For example, it is known that tomato is able to improve vision, allows good intestinal health, but what is incredible is that it has antioxidants that fight different forms of cancer. In addition, among other great benefits is that it lowers cholesterol and protects the heart greatly. Already knowing this and adding to its delicious taste, we know that you cannot miss at home. But surely it will have happened to you, that you went to buy tomatoes, and when you taste it does not taste delicious. This is because of the amount of chemicals used for fertilization. Sadly, these types of products spread more and more, and worse even if you live in a big city. Therefore, the best option to combat this and also avoid the high cost that usually get to have the kilo of tomato in some seasons of the year, it is best to grow it at home. Maybe we think we need a big yard, garden or orchard. But have you ever heard of the urban garden? True, maybe you live in an apartment and the only outdoor space you have is a balcony. However, this is not an impediment to plant tomatoes, and that's what we are going to show today. Preparation. 1. Cut 4 slices of tomato. 2. Put them in a Flowerpot with soil and fertilizer of quality. 3. Water every day. 4. From the 10 days you will start to see results.